Welcome to your Illuminati financial news. And today I'm going to be doing analysis on the NASDAQ composite index. Okay, so this video is going to be a lot shorter than probably the others because I'm not going to be doing any conspiracy theories. Okay, let's hit the charts. And here's the NASDAQ on the daily time frame. And what I think is going to happen is it's going to hit this level here, about 25200, and then it's going to bounce. So it's going to come down lower and bounce, and it could break below, make test this around down here. But I think as long as nothing crazy happens in the news, no negative financial news on the economic calendar, I think everything will be smooth. So look for it to make new high from around coming. And I don't know, it'll probably be a bit staticky like it has been continuously until it can make up its mind about if it wants to go up or down. But because obviously the NASDAQ is quite a strong mover to the upside generally. And I just drew these levels because I wanted to see maybe the worst they'll go, as long as there's not like an AI bubble, could be down to this level, the 23884 level. So I think that's really what's going to happen. I really think it's going to change, but note that it'll make a green bar, a big green bar before it changes, because you see that it's made two big red bars. Well, that means that it's going to be in a downtrend. I look for a big green bar, not little green bars, except for obviously here it happened, before it returns to the upside. But I'm gonna bring up the weekly. See, this is not very nice. This is not very nice. I'm gonna get rid of all these drawings. Sorry. So it's made like a pin bar here or a hammer. So it could really go down here. I did not see that until now. So that has changed my perspective, but it's got more upside potential than downside potential. So you only really want to be buying. You just want to put your pending orders somewhere down here, but wait for the reversal signal, which is big green bars like this and like this. Two big green bars, and buy and hold. There is no analysis for this, so. But yeah, let's look at the RSI on the weekly. Yeah, so the RSI is kind of up zone. It's a bit flat. It's coming down. I can imagine when it hits this level, it will make the market go up at some point. But here, RSI, there's no real signal that I can see of coming up. You just have to wait for the reversal. Some green bars to happen, preferably big ones like this one, and then it goes up, just like you see a green one here and a big green one here, and then it did go up, but it did do a retraction, about a 50% retraction before it went up. And if you don't know about this is something I used to do back in the day when I was trading, is draw out these. I don't know which way you're going. I don't usually use on this eToro. So I think that this is the correct way to do it for here. So I did it. I'm just looking at from here to here. I'm not looking anywhere else really. But it did more than 50, went down more than 50%. And reverse and made a piercing line over these two retraction points. So yeah, that's a good strong indicator that it would go reverse. But yeah, just buy and hold. I won't get into the leverage if you're a beginner. I would stick to just 1-to-1. So every amount it moves equilaterally. Because leverage is where, say I buy at like 10 and it goes up to 20, that's double. So if you buy 1-to-1, you doubled your money, but if you buy at leverage like 1-to-30, you've not only you've like more than doubled. You've like I don't know what it should be. If I get a calculator out, I can do it. But it's just more. You like got more leverage, so it moves more. When it goes up, it moves more, and when it goes down, it moves more to the downside. So there's more potential for loss. Also, more potential for gains as well. I'll have to, in the next video, maybe I'll try and explain it a bit better. But that's about it. If you have any comments on anything you would like me to do a video on, please leave a comment in any of the videos.